Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to do, obviously, Crown Zenith. They just released their birds. We only have two today because I was stupid and I and opened up one off camera. But because I did that, we're also going to throw in 6 more packs. So each of these tins actually come with 5 packs and then a promo card. Oh, this one is dent beyond belief. Love seeing that. So let's dive into here, open these up, and see what they got in store. So all of them obviously come with brand new promo glaring artwork of all the 3 birds. And then, yep, we got 5 packs. Open this one up. Same thing, 5 packs. And here's the Zapdos. So the one that I opened up yesterday, so here's the 3rd one. There's the Moltres. Alright, but yeah, let's jump into all these packs here. We got 16 of them. Let's see if we can actually pull some more gold. Starting off with Psychic, Larian, Gloom, Friends of Sinnoh, Shirobi, Execute, Energy Retrieval, Molga, Love Disc, and we got a Bidoof, and a Hoopa Hollow. So kind of starting off strong. I can't remember if I have Bidoof or not already. Hoopa, I know I have it. Oops. Rockruff, Lost Vacuum Reverse, and Panseeker non-hollow. So these ones, the packs that I'm opening right now are actually from the Crown Zenith mini tins. So I just opened up 3 of them to add some more packs to it. We got Shaman, Oddish, Seal, Kricketot, Aaron, Riolu, ooh, nice Luminant Altart, and Volcarona. I think this actually might be the 2nd time I pulled Luminant. But hey, we're getting some good pulls. Few alternate arts already. So far, I think it's been like 50-50. Corefish. I couldn't get it again. We got Comfy and a Nessa Sign Trainer. Normally I always do it, all because of Cool Trainer Ryan, and now my voice doesn't allow me to. Yes, I know, I just sleeved Nessa. Friends of Sinnoh, Gloom, Ultra Ball, oops, Reptile, Pancham, Switch, Snorunt, Lavesta. We got Electric Foil and Whale, no, not Hollow. It's actually a pretty decent pull. I think I only have one other one. I think it's the Fire Energy one. Lost Vacuum, Luxio, Methane, Aaron, Corfish. I couldn't. I'm just gonna stop. I can't get it there. Iolu, Love Disc, and Zamazenta V. I believe that's the third time pulling that one. Cool. My voice just doesn't want me to do it today. Alright. So now we got the bird tins. Let's see if we can crush some gold here. Luxio, Pancham, Helioptile, Wooloo, Groblin, Bidoof, and Sincere V. I've only pulled one gold card so far, so we're looking for a second one. Or even pulling a third Pikachu would be fine. Larion reverse, and oh, we got 3 of the hollow energies now. Building a collection. That might have been one of the tightest packs I've ever had to try to open. Water Energy, Energy Switch, Korokrak, Belltoy, Tangela, Larvesta, Snorunt, Switch, there's Luminant again, and a Dragagla. Well, we're killing it on the alt arts, but we're pulling all the same ones. What do we got left? 7 packs remaining. Looking for that first real fire hit. As everybody knows, I haven't really... I mean, I guess I've had some decent luck. There's Solrock and Tangrowth. We are pulling a lot of alt arts now. So, I mean, I guess I can't say I'm not having the best hit, because we're pulling alt art after alt art. Some of them, I mean, a lot of them are doubles now, but... Electric, Tangela, Pawniard, Snorunt, Pancham, Shinx, Lost Vacuum Reverse, and Snorlax. I'm just hoping for one gold. I don't even care if it's the same one we've already pulled. That was probably the worst I've ever opened a pack. Big and Duo, Ultra Ball. Oh, come on. Fingers aren't working. Chatot, Purloin. Good Lord. Love Disc. Chatot again. Yama, Dusclops Reverse, and Panseeker. Fingers just don't want to work right now. Oops. 1, 2, 3. We got 3 packs left. We're just going to kind of run through it. We got one in the back. It's just a regular V though. Yeah. Regular V. Got Leafeon, a Radiant Chatterbug. I say Chatterbug because it's annoying like one. Alright, come on. 3 packs. We gotta get this going. We gotta get a gold card. We gotta get a gold card. We can do this. Channel the energy. Bishop. Cherubi. Execute. Energy Retrieval. Emogla. Love Disc. Diancie. And Heliolisk. These are all the ones that I pulled yesterday. Just repeating it over and over. We're down to 2 packs left. This one, the one sitting down. Fire Energy. Rescue, Bisharp, oops, Coffin, Bidoof, oops, Lip, Purloin, my fingers aren't working, Grubba, Pawneye Reverse, and Big Ape non-hollow. Last one. Alright, come on. We can still do it. We can still do it. Oops. Psychic, Electric, Rescue, Riolu, Starly, Pokeball, Seal Reverse, and Leon Hollow. So we'll just run through everything that we pulled. I mean, there's a decent amount of alt arts in there, but it is what it is. That's going to do it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Obviously, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you really want to. Other than that, take care, guys.